It is important to remove water, gases, and mechanical impurities from insulating oil in a timely manner for ensuring the durable and reliable operation of transformers. The amount of oil in large-sized transformers reaches dozens of tons, and it is necessary to use high-performance equipment so that oil processing in one transformer would not stretch over weeks or months. Today, we are going to tell you about this particular kind of machines using the example of one of the most popular and practicable units in globe or equipment range. This is a high vacuum unit of CMM-10-15 type. Recently, three machines of this type have been shipped for servicing of transformers in South Africa. One person who operates the CMM-10-15 unit can use it to carry out the following processes: oil degassing, oil drying and filtration, vacuumizing of transformers, warm-up of transformer windings with hot oil. The capacity of the unit in degassing mode is 10 cubic meters per hour, and that in heating and filtration modes is 15 cubic meters per hour. With high capacity, globe core machines remain quite compact. They are robust by structure and mounted on a double-axle trailer. The service life of such units is at least 20 years, which is ensured owing to a special protective case, anti-corrosion coating of the trailer and metal parts by hot galvanizing and cadmium plating respectively. The presence of a protective case does not restrict access to important components and assemblies of the unit, and all the doors are lockable for the time of the operator's absence. The trailer is easily hitched to the vehicle by means of which the CMM unit is quickly delivered to the location of transformer operation. On site, the trailer is secured using adjustable supports. In order to start working, the operator should connect the oil supply and output lines, apply power, and select the required mode. Further on, the unit operates automatically, and the reliability of oil purification while maintaining a high level of capacity is ensured by means of pipelines with an increased diameter. In addition to standard features, the CMM-10-15 unit can be completed with auxiliary equipment, humidity sensors, an oil flow meter, and a tank oil level control system for safe operation when the transformer is on. What features of the equipment when servicing large-sized transformers are important to you? Please leave your opinion in the comments. More information can be found at www.globecore.com.